a person like translated a English song "I Wanna Be Yours" into Telugu. Can you try to do that in Marathi?
Oh my god.
You have to say मला तुझं व्हायचंय. मला तुझं व्हायचंय. मला तुझं व्हायचंय. मला तुझं. Okay, great.
మీరు ట్రూగా హోమ్ అనుకునేది ఏ ప్లేస్?
For me, there are two homes. One is where you're born, and the second home is Hyderabad, where you find your people, where you find love.
మీరు చెప్పారు కదా యూ ఫైండ్ లవ్, అలా మీకు ఎవరైనా దొరికారా?
Sorry?
మీకు ఎవరైనా లవ్ దొరికారా? లైక్
Mike, I can't hear for some reason, sir.
హాయ్ భాగ్య.
మీరు స్టార్టింగ్ నుంచి ఇప్పటి వరకు ఐ థింక్ హీస్ జస్ట్ బీన్ బ్లషింగ్.
యూఆర్ ఆల్సో యా 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 చా
కంటిన్యూ.
అన్నా కొంచెం ఆపరేట్ అవ్వన్నా.
ఓకే, డీప్ బ్రెత్.
వాటర్ తాగుతారు కొంచెం.
ఫస్ట్ నుంచి ఇప్పటి వరకు మీ ఫిల్మోగ్రఫీలో బెస్ట్ మూవీస్ ఉన్న కమర్షియల్ సక్సెస్ అనేది లేదు. క్రిటిక్స్ కానీ లేదంటే బయట ఆడియన్స్ కానీ లైక్ సేయింగ్ షీ హ్యాస్ ఐరన్ లైక్.
See, good question. I'll answer it. Controversial, పర్లేదు.
చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి ఒక కిడ్ తన ఇంట్లో ఒక స్పెసిఫిక్ ప్రాబ్లం అనేది చూస్తూ పెరుగుతూ ఉంటాడు. మీ చైల్డ్హుడ్లో ప్రాబ్లం అనేది?
We've come from zero. As soon as I was born, dad lost his job. To see my father just even request someone, please give me a job. As a small baby, when you see your father talk like that, so in my head, the only thing was, this is never going to happen to my father ever again. I need to make sure his head is held this high always.
What title you want to give for your story, your life story?
A warrior that didn't know how to give up.
మీ న్యూ మూవీ లెనిన్ ట్రైలర్ చూశాను. మేము ఎలాంటి భాగ్యాన్ని ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేయొచ్చు?
You will all fall in love with Bharti, I think.
Fuba cat.
अय्यो क्या बात कर रहा है? Oh, life is very short, no? Why stress so much? Jump out of a plane. That's all.
So that's the advice you'll give for students who are
No, not like that. Not like that, guys. But thank you so much. I will.
All right. Welcome to Honest Town Hall, Bhagyashree.
Thank you.
We're very happy to have you here.
So am I.
My name is Megha. I'm the moderator here. But all the questions are going to be coming from that lot there. Students are going to be setting the stage on fire. So, are you guys ready?
Wow, what an energy.
And are you ready?
I'm very much ready.
All right. Let the town hall begin. First question.
హలో మ్యామ్.
Hi.
బాయ్స్కి చాలా పెద్ద యూనివర్సల్ ప్రాబ్లం, ఎస్పెషల్లీ బాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి. గర్ల్ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి ఏం గిఫ్ట్ ఇవ్వాలో తెలియదు, టైం వేస్ట్ చేయడం, వాళ్ళ ఒపీనియన్స్ తీసుకోవడం, వీళ్ళ ఒపీనియన్స్ తీసుకోవడం. మీ ఫ్యాషన్ సెన్స్ కానీ లేదంటే మీ ఐడియాలజీ మీ మూవీస్ ఇవన్నీ బేస్ చేసుకొని మీ లైఫ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ బేస్ చేసుకొని కాస్త మా బాయ్స్కి హెల్ప్ చేయండి, బాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి.
ఆనెస్ట్గా చెప్తున్నాను, దే జస్ట్ వాంట్ టైం. You don't have to have money. You don't have to have anything else. Give them time. They'll love you till the end. That's all. Pick up her calls. If you're busy, let her know you're busy. Give her attention. Give her reassurance. Ammaiki cheppu that you matter to me. Career matters to me too, but you also matter to me. Alani, if you respect her and if you give her time consistently, starting lo kaadu. That is the problem with boys. They will love you and give you so much attention in the beginning, and then once patane ke baad fir chill karte hain. Auntie, me problem auntie.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi.
I'm Gayatri. So, growing up, we have always watched English movies or had crushes on foreign actors, right? And we actually know you lived outside India. And we just wanted to know, did teenage Bhagyashree ever had a cute little story or a crush or a date?
Crush
Yeah.
on some Hollywood actor.
Yeah.
I'm very desi at heart. Naku Indian men chala nachindi. I think I like Indian men. Of course, there's Brad Pitt. Of course, very blue eyes laga. I think we all have that little soft heart towards. But I think Indian men are beautiful. I think Indian men are the thing where we all like.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hi, Bhagyashree.
Hi.
I'm Rajashree.
Oh,
Wow.
okay. That's my mother's name, by the way.
మీరు చాలా ప్లేసెస్ ట్రావెల్ చేస్తారు కదా,
అవును.
సో సజెస్ట్ సమ్ 3 ప్లేసెస్ టు స్టూడెంట్స్ ఇన్ దిస్ సీజన్.
Interesting question. So, honestly, I love traveling. I think traveling is something that helps you see things in a very new perspective. I went to Spiti Valley. Spiti Valley, ante, you know, we all have this thing that, okay, abroad lo we'll go and we'll enjoy. Allah, I think that's also a different experience. But India lo, so many beautiful places are there where you can go and have fun. So Spiti Valley, oka place undi where you feel like, oh, this is India. I didn't know, you know. And when you see different beautiful places, you also feel inspired. You also feel like, oh, life is so beautiful. Why do we get stuck up on take little things in life? There's so much to do in life. Life is also so short. So in this short life, there's so much to see. That has always been my perspective, that I want to travel, I want to experience, meet new people, talk to them, talk to strangers. I think it's a very and it's like you grow as a person every time you travel. So mountains only I will keep suggesting because I'm a mountain person. But I love Tirupati a lot. I think it's also a place very close to my heart. It makes me feel very calm. I don't know. Every time I go to Tirupati, there's something about it, for sure. And third place, I will definitely suggest you to go to Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar. That's my hometown. There's an Ajanta Ellora caves there. So, manam history undi. Ante caves lo our ancestors have made like a lot of designs, lot of beautiful designs, and our time lo technology leru. So if you go there, it's so high and you don't even know how they must have done it so beautifully. So I think these 4 places you definitely visit. Activities, I've done skydiving. Guys, it's been a dream, okay? Because basically I had fear of heights as a child. Ante balcony lo, if you go, mind lo, I feel like there's someone, I'm falling, something like that. And naku fears nachaledu. My thing in my head was, anything you have, like even if it's a little fear or a big fear, how do I overcome it? And the immediate answer was, what is the one thing that you can do to get rid of fear? Jump out of a plane. I was like, okay, I have to do that. So I did it. It felt like, oh, life is very short, no? Why stress so much?
Yeah.
Jump out of a plane. That's all.
So that's the advice you'll give for students who are
No,
thinking-
not like that. Not like that, guys. But it's a must experience for sure. I think you can't keep yourself restricted to this one color. I think life is made of beautiful colors. Not even 7 colors, I'm going to say. I think it's a mix and match of so many beautiful colors. Experience all of it. It makes you feel, I don't know, very empowered, I think.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
I have a question.
Okay.
So what else are there on your bucket list in terms of adventure and travel?
I mean, the major. What else? Mainly, this came out of getting rid of my fears, so I'll jump from the plane, all that stuff. But I want to see the world. I want to travel as much as I can. But more importantly, I think I am now looking to open an NGO of my own, which I already have. But I want to take it to a lot of places, make it a little bigger. I think that's been a part of my personal life that I relate to quite a lot. Only because I have been at a place in childhood where I know what it feels like not having food to eat at the table. So when you come from a place like that to finally a platform where you don't have to worry about food, I think it's important to reach out to people so they also feel that kind of support, only because you know what it feels like.
Right.
So yeah, definitely I want to do that.
Nice. And any impromptu plans? Like, I'm sure some of you guys must be planning, have some WhatsApp groups where, you know, Goa vodam, ikkada vodam, akkada vodam. Did you ever like take that trip you guys discuss your
Impromptu.
friends and just
My
bond there.
plans are always impromptu. Like in my profession, nothing can be planned because I also don't know what I'm doing this month.
Right.
Which movie I'm shooting, what is the schedule like, where am I shooting, what time naku telidu. So if I think I have 2 days free, I have a backpack ready, I'll just take it and I'll fly off. If they need me, I'll come back. That's what I do.
Right.
I like the way you're sitting. Can I please copy that? Because
Yeah.
I'm tired. Yeah. Yes.
హాయ్ అక్క.
Akkava. Oh my god. Okay.
మీ
None of you are calling me Akka here, okay?
Bhagya.
మీ చైల్డ్హుడ్ మీద ఒక మూవీ తీస్తే మీకు కంపల్సరీగా ఉండాలని అనుకున్న మెమరీ ఏంటిది అందులో?
I think, ante not to take it in a different zone, but I've seen a very different side of life the second I was born. Ante my family, my parents, we are from a lower middle class background, you know. As soon as I was born, I feel like dad lost his job. So I've never seen stability that we all see, you know, these days it's all in like not stability and all that. So I've never seen all of that stuff, and I've always seen things go wrong with them, and I've always seen them fighting to do the right thing for their children, to consistently ante not give up. That not give up attitude I've seen for my parents, because we've come from zero. So I think to see my father, you know, just even request someone, please give me a job. I have 2 daughters. Ante oka child, they don't even understand what money is. Firstly, like growing up, you don't know how important money is. All you care about is food, playing around outside, chill. But when you grow up and see your parents, I've seen that. I've seen that side of my father. And actually have a journal of 5 rupees chili, 10 rupees palak. I've seen that. And they used to literally count, okay, we spent 300 rupees in this week. How do we maintain the next week? Ante I've seen all of that, right? So I think definitely money problems, you see your parents struggle, you see your parents work really hard for you. As a small baby, when you see your father talk like that, in your head, you don't want to see that, right? Nobody wants to see their father request somebody, please. I don't want to see that. So in my head, the only thing was, this is never going to happen to my father ever again. I need to grow up. I need to make sure his head is held this high always and never like this. So, ante sad kaadu, but I think it's been an inspiration. I think everything that, whatever ambition is there inside is for parents. And you see them think, how am I going to take care of my child? I think that's been a major factor for my childhood, my family. And definitely, na parents' struggle is my inspiration to go forward in life. That's all.
Hi, ma'am.
Please sit. Please sit.
Hi, ma'am. Good to see you here.
Same here.
అంటే ఐ నో యు ఆర్ ఎ మహారాష్ట్రియన్. అంటే ప్రతి మహారాష్ట్రకి కల్చర్ అనేది ఒక ప్రైడ్ అండ్ ఫైటింగ్ స్పిరిట్ అనేది డిఫాల్ట్గా ఉంటుంది. లైక్ వీ సీన్ మెనీ వారియర్స్ ఫ్రమ్ మహారాష్ట్ర. సో మీ లైఫ్లో కూడా అలా ఏదైనా ప్రాబ్లం వస్తే లైక్ హౌ యూ హ్యాండిల్?
Warrior laga handle. I mean, I think that's how I've been grown up. That's how I've been brought up. I've been brought up with a lot of cultural stories of Raja Shivaji, or whether it's Rani Lakshmi Bai or Jhansi Ki Rani. You know, they're all these queens and warriors of fighting for the right things, fighting for things going wrong. So I think I've been brought up like that. I think ante manam for all our lives, something or the other, if it goes wrong, the first instinct should be get up and fight. Antena, that's all. I think that's all I've been doing. That's all I know how to do. Yeah.
Hi, ma'am. Myself, Pranay.
Hi.
My question is, what's your opinion on Ram? I mean, Bhagwan Ram. Ante, I know you are very spiritual.
అవునా అలాగా
ఓ చక్కటి కవర్ డ్రైవ్ వేసుకుంటూ మంచిగా ఇట్లా పెట్టుకొని
I think Bhagwan Ram is very close to all our hearts. And yeah,
ఇంకా ఏమన్నా?
ఇంకా
I think we should all pray to Bhagwan Ram every day.
అండ్ ర్యాపో వన్ మోర్ ర్యామ్.
మై కోస్టారా?
Yes.
రామ్ పోతినేని.
Yes.
సో ఎందుకు భగవాన్ రామ్?
ఐఎమ్ ఆస్కింగ్ బోత్.
ఓకే. వాట్ డూ వాంట్ మీ టు సే?
లార్డ్ రామ has completed, now ram.
I think he's a very great friend of mine. It's been a great experience with him, acting with him. Andhra King Taluka was, I think, a beautiful film for all of us. And I respect him a lot as a person. I think very rarely you see a star as humble and as genuine. And I think in the industry, I will always call him up for advices because he's always there. So I think he's there as a person like that for all of us to support and give advices to, because he has so much experience. So yeah. Antena? Any some other god?
హాయ్ మ్యామ్.
Hi.
యాక్చువల్లీ నా క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటంటే కాలేజ్ డేస్లో చాలామంది ఫ్రెండ్స్ నన్ను బులీ చేస్తూ ఉంటారనమాట ఫర్ మై యాక్సెంట్. మీరు కూడా అలాంటిది ఒకటి సిచ్యువేషన్ ఫేస్ చేసినట్టు విన్నాను. సో చాలామంది స్టూడెంట్స్ అలా బులీ చేయడం వల్ల ఏంటంటే వాళ్ళ కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ని కోల్పోతారు, చాలా ఎంబారసింగ్గా ఫీల్ అవుతారు. సో అలాంటి సిచ్యువేషన్ నుంచి మనం ఎలా కాపప్ అవ్వాలి అనేది తెలుసుకోవాలను.
So I was not bullied for my accent. Actually, I didn't know English only. I came from a Maharashtrian school and suddenly I was taken to Nigeria because dad got an opportunity, job opportunity. So money kosam we went there. But I didn't know English. I only knew Marathi. I only knew Hindi. And all these NRI kids, which are our Indian kids around me, were like, how does she not know English? So obviously, andaru bully chesaru, and I was very innocent that, is it because I don't know the language? Is it because I'm dressed like this? Naku telidu. But I think all of us as children go through these difficulties growing up. We all face some sort of bullying, whether it's for our looks, whether it's for the way we talk, whether it's not knowing the language, or whether it's not being good at studies. I'm saying there are so many reasons all of us go through bullying, I feel. But it's about ignoring the noise and focusing on what our goal is. It will trouble, it will hurt, but that pain will motivate you to grow. I think without that, maybe my English wouldn't be this good if they didn't bully me for my English, right? So I take it that way. I think everything that is negative in our life helps to make the positive double. So,
సో నైస్.
హాయ్ మ్యామ్.
Hi.
యూ లుక్ అబ్సల్యూట్లీ స్టన్నింగ్ టుడే.
Thank you.
అండ్ మీకు చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి స్టేజ్ ఫియర్ ఉందని విన్నాను.
Hmm.
సో సెట్స్లో యాక్ట్ చేయడం కూడా స్టేజ్ మీద యాక్ట్ చేసినట్టే. సో హౌ డూ యూ మేనేజ్?
Honestly, I'm very comfortable in front of camera. It doesn't feel like stage. Ante now, let's say if it's a pre-release event and all, konchu, if you guys have noticed, my voice will shake a little bit. That voice will come, but in front of camera, when I'm on set, everything else disappears. It's like I am in this world where nothing else matters, and it's just me and the camera and the character that I'm playing. Ante, so I think on set, I think I'm a very different person, for sure.
When did you first know that this is your thing? Because you are a fabulous actress.
Thank you so much.
Kanta, that scene, I'm such a big fan of it. And when did you know that, this is my calling, this is where I should be?
Okay, so I was studying business management in Metibai. Somebody just told me, you're tall, go for modeling, try at it. And when you're young, you want to try new things because you don't know what you want to do. I don't think anybody is like, obviously there are 10% or 20% of people who are like, I want to be a cricketer when I grow up, or I want to be an actor. I was not that part. I was like, I don't know what I want to do in life. So I think growing up, it's been a question of what am I meant to do? What makes me happy? And alage I started modeling while I was studying business management, and there some director told me that you have it very naturally within you, why don't you try? Ala cheppin tarvata I was like, there's no harm trying. If I fail, parledu, but what if this is it? What if this is something that makes me happy? And try chasing tarvata, I was like, wow, it's something so naturally coming. I don't have to put effort. So I think I enjoyed that process. It made me feel like this is it.
Right. But that moment on screen you saw and you're like, I'm made for the screen.
Oh, I've never felt like that. I'm my own biggest critic. So I am like, every time I see myself on screen, the only thing in my head is, you could have done this better. You could have done that better. So I'm never like, "Arey wow, kya job kiya." Never. I think I'm that very hard on myself.
Right.
Yeah.
That explains why you're so good at it.
Hi ma'am, I'm Tanvi.
Hi.
I believe girl groups are like on a higher level than CID. And I want to know what type of girl you are. Are you the calm type in the group chats or more like I can, break up with him kind of girl?
Break up with him, ante?
We have that one friend in the group, yeah, who is very critical, no, in a good way, where
Okay.
she's very like the mother of the group, where she says, this guy is fooling around, you better like,
I think I'm the mother of the group.
yeah?
Yeah. I just know. I will just know. Like, if my friend comes to an advice, forget advice. They don't have to tell me anything. They'll just show me a picture of the guy.
Yeah.
I will look at the eyes. I will know if he's the right guy or not. Right guy kaadu ante, if he's genuine or not, I will know. Or if he's just doing time pass, I will know. Like that, I'm the mother. I'll be like, stay away. Better to not get into it. Enduku heartbreak.
Yeah. Do your friends like you for it, or are they grateful for it, or
Definitely they're grateful for it. Yeah. I think I've saved them from a lot of heartbreaks.
హాయ్ భాగ్య
Hi.
దిస్ ఇస్ సోమనాథ్ అండ్ ఈ సోషల్ మీడియా ఎరాలో ఏదైనా యాక్టర్ని రీప్లేస్ చేయాలి అంటే వాళ్ళిద్దరి మధ్య పడట్లేదు లేదంటే ఇప్పుడు వాళ్ళ కాంపిటీషన్ ఉంది అంటే వాళ్ళిద్దరి మధ్య కాంపిటీషన్ ఉంది అని చెప్పి ఇలాంటి స్టోరీస్ అన్నీ సోషల్ మీడియాలో స్ప్రెడ్ చేస్తారు కదా అది ఎంతవరకు రియల్ ఎంతవరకు ఫేక్ స్టోరీస్ అనేది
Kadu, I think she's a very sweet girl. I think she's also extremely talented. But I think it's not our decisions to be in movies, kada. I think at the end of the day, it's directors and the producers who decide. And honest ga cheptunnanu, prati movie lo, I think every script decides who the actor is going to be.
right?
No matter how much I want to be in one film, if I'm not meant to be in it, I will not be. I think that's my personal belief. I think story is above all of us. What we see as an audience on screen, there's a lot of magic that goes behind it. A magic that not only the makers understand, but also ante kunchu universe laga magic undi that brings these people together. See, I'll tell you one thing about ante. Of course, it's a very competitive world. I think there are so many beautiful actresses out there, so much talent out there. But personal ga, I am my own competition is what I believe, because my thing is, how do I grow every day? If I see my scene, it's always about how do I make it better. So, of course, there's a lot of noise outside. Of course, there are so many competitions outside. But for me, personally, my competition's always been with myself, because a non-industry background person, though, if you give one opportunity, whether it's starting with Bachchan itself, my only thing in my head was, I have to give my best, because if I don't, that second opportunity is not coming. Kantalo, if I didn't give my best, if I didn't work my hard, I probably wouldn't get Sion. I probably wouldn't get Lenin. So it's always been about, okka opportunity was ochin tarvata, how do I make the best of it? Because this opportunity will define your next opportunity. It's not in our hands. I think Prati Katha decides who the character is going to be. So Bharti was supposed to be Bhagyashree. Thankfully, I got to be Bharti. So I think I'm blessed that way. I think for all the actresses out there, we all have our own space. The universe is so vast. There are so many stars in the sky. Earth lo kuda so many stars undi kada. So each star has its own shine.
Okay, I have a question. What is the weirdest food combination you ever tried? For example, like chocolate dosa. And as you come from Bombay, I have to say this. Something called Maggi Pav. Did you ever try something like that?
As I've come from Bombay,
Yeah.
I think all of us try something weird everywhere.
She heard about Maggie Pav, so she was
Maggie Pawa.
Pav Bhaji, but
Sorry, don't even put it in my head. Please, please.
sorry.
Maggie is very special to all of us. Let's not.
And Pav Bhaji is Pav Bhaji na. So na brain lo vada pav అని నడుస్తుంది.
Vada pav hai.
Vada paవేనా? They destroy
Vada
your
pav and Maggie together, guys. Enti, please.
హాయ్ మ్యామ్ మై సెల్ఫ్ సుహాస్
Hi, Suhas.
అండ్ బ్యాక్ దెన్ మీరు చదువుకునే టైంలో లైక్ యూ హ్యావ్ మేనేజ్ బోత్ యువర్ స్టడీస్ అండ్ ప్యాషన్ మీన్ వైల్ మెనీ ఆఫ్ అస్ రైట్ నౌ వీఆర్ స్ట్రగ్లింగ్ టు మేనేజ్ బోత్ అవర్ స్టడీస్ అండ్ ప్యాషన్ సో హౌ డిడ్ యూ మేనేజ్ టు డూ దట్
Auntie, I think everyone's situation's also different, right? Like my thing was my mom was like, you need to have a degree. Then you can do whatever you want to do. For me, I think I shouldn't say it this way, but nowadays there's no. I think we've all come out from that stage where degree is very much needed because there's so many opportunities for all of us, right? But definitely, if you want to balance, I think it's all about how high your goals are, how motivated are you. I believe that you have to be the hardest working person in the room. I think I respect Ronaldo a lot because I think there's one thing everybody says about him, that you are the hardest working person in the room. If I see anyone working harder than me, I feel like shit, what am I doing? I need to work really hard because there's so much you want to do in life. You have to be the hardest working person if you want to reach what your goal is. If you can just relax, then probably looking at something else in life. So yeah.
Are you following the current World Cup? Do you have time to follow the current World Cup?
No time.
I'll tell you,
Promotion.
there's this, I like this new footballer, he's called Haaland.
Is he cute? That's why you like him?
See, cute and all.
See, I caught him.
He's actually so funny. You should, like when you get,
So you like the funny type of guys.
why is it funny about? No, I'm just saying if you get a moment, you should get to know about Haaland because you'll actually start laughing. Like you want to take a, space and have some break, then you should definitely check. I was going to say check out, but I'm not going to say that.
She said it. Well, I will check his humor out.
Yes, just his humor.
So, hi ma'am, I'm Pranusha. So, I want to ask being born in 1999 makes you an indefinitive Gen Z, right?
Uh-huh.
So, my question is, how do you maintain your, how do you protect your mental health and also maintain your private life? Because as we all know, this modern stardom requires 24/7 digital availability and instant vulnerability on social media. So, how do you do?
See, because I'm not from an industry background, I haven't seen this growing up. Until star's life is out there in public, whether it's positive, whether it's negative, everything about you is out there for everybody to talk about, and that's a part of my job. When I came here, of course, it was very new. I was like, why everybody is talking about me now? Because I'm just doing my work, kada. That's all I know. I'm just trying to do my work, but everybody is saying good things, somebody is saying bad thing. I think it's a process to learn to accept it. I think for me, it's been personally that, okay, star lo, we are out there for everybody. And if you can accept the love, you have to accept the criticism also. It's a part of your life. And cope, I think, of course, it doesn't feel good sometimes when, things are not good. Sometimes misinterpretations happen, misunderstandings happen, but it's okay. They don't know you. Only if you sit in front of me and ask me, I can tell you, kada. If you text me on my DM saying, what are you doing? I can't tell you what I'm doing because script changed. That's why this film became like this. But I thought it will be a good film. I think all of us actors have so much to tell you, but we can't because there's no direct touch that we also have together. So it's okay.
Hi ma'am,
Yes.
I want to sing a song.
Huh? You want to sing a song? Okay.
రంగు రంగు తారలన్నీ తొంగి తొంగి ఒక్కసారి
Guys, give us some
చూస్తున్నాయిందిలా.
energy.
దీనికి నా స్లాంగ్లో మరి చందమామ హానెస్ట్ టౌన్ హాల్కి వస్తే ఆ తారలన్నీ తొంగి చూడవా ఏంటి? నవ్ ద క్వశ్చన్ ఈస్, చాలామంది అమ్మాయిలకి ఫిలిం ఇండస్ట్రీకి రావాలన్నది ఒక డ్రీమ్, నాకు కూడా. సో చాలా మిస్కమ్యూనికేషన్స్ వల్ల అండ్ చాలా ఫియర్స్ వల్ల, సొసైటీ వల్ల దాన్ని రాలేకపోతారు, భయపడతారు ఫిలిం ఇండస్ట్రీకి రావడానికి. సో మీరు కూడా అలాంటిది ఒకటి ఫేస్ చేసి ఉంటారు. దాన్ని ఎలా ఓవర్కమ్ చేసి ఇండిపెండెంట్గా మీరు ఇంత దాకా ఎలా వచ్చారు? అండ్ మాలాగా అమ్మాయిలకి ఫిలిం ఇండస్ట్రీకి రావాలని భయపడుతూ కూర్చునే వాళ్ళకి ఏం చెప్తారు? అండ్ ఒక అమ్మాయికి ఇండిపెండెన్స్ అండ్ ఫైనాన్షియల్ ఇండిపెండెన్స్ అనేది ఎంత ఇంపార్టెన్స్?
So many questions. Okay. Okay, one by one. What was the first thing?
ఫస్ట్ థింగ్
చందమామ తారలు.
కాదు తర్వాత
ఒక అమ్మాయికి ఫిల్మ్ ఇండస్ట్రీకి రావాలనేది ఒక పెద్ద డ్రీమ్. సో
how did I overcome my thing kada?
ఫ్యామిలీ ఇంకా బిగ్ నో కదా.
అవును. So of course I decided I'm going to try. I called my mom. She said no. So I was like, okay. I called my dad. He said mom is saying no. I said okay. I thought at least my sister will support me. I called her. She said they are saying no. I said okay. So andaru no chepparu. Andaru not because of anything, but you know, I think for all of us in society, we think of the industry in a way that, oh my god, how will it be? How will my little girl go face these things? What if there are bad people? Andaru parents though, I think that fear is there kada, and you can't help it. You'll only understand when you become a parent. So that's what I knew. But I just had this one thing inside me that ante I don't want to be 80 and be like, what if? Then I was like, shit, that's a very different fear, that once you reach a certain age and you look back, and I don't like regrets. I think none of us should have regrets in life. It pulls us back. Everything you want to do, just do it. So of course I started giving auditions. My mom blocked me actually on WhatsApp. 6 months she didn't talk to me. So I might be smiling and saying it right now, but chala difficult time undi aa time lo. But I had only one thing in my head, that she will be proud of me. And of course I think for an independent girl, how you decide your life is going to be in your hands. What your path is going to be is in your hands. So that's all I've done. I think my only thing was, my parents should feel respected. They should never feel like, what is your daughter doing? People shouldn't go and be like, what is your daughter doing? They should be like, what did your daughter do? Wow. That's what I wanted my parents to feel. I wanted them to feel proud, and that's been my effort. So I think for all you girls out there, parents will be scared because they feel, my little baby is going out there in the world is so huge, there will be devils, there will be evil people. And I think if you're good at heart, you will also meet a lot of people who are good at heart, and God will shape this journey for you. So yeah.
ఒక విమెన్కి ఇండిపెండెన్స్ అండ్ ఫైనాన్షియల్ ఇండిపెండెన్స్ అనేది అంత ఇంపార్టెంట్.
అబ్బో చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. అంటే పర్సనల్.
And how did you figure it out at that young age? మీరు బయటకు వచ్చారు and you decided that you want to be in acting కదా?
Right. అంటే see, personally I've always been a very independent person, and I don't like being dependent on people personally, because I feel like that self-respect that you have for yourself goes for a toss. Like for me, very small incident I'll tell you. You know, there's Linking Road in Bandra, Bombay, okay, where you go for shopping. Girls go for shopping a lot. So I was going with my father that time, and then there was one like chappal, one small chappal, whatever, 100 rupees. No, sorry, 200 rupees, okay. I still remember it very clearly. I said, I want this. And I told Nanaku chepparu. And then he said, did you bargain? I said, no, get it, it's 200 rupees. He said, no. And he walked off. My heart broke. I was like, 200 rupees, you couldn't buy me the chappal. After that, I decided two things. Always bargain, firstly. Secondly, never ask anyone for money. I think that was a huge lesson Dad taught me, that you should be so independent on your own that you should be able to buy what you want for yourself. It could be as simple as a chappal or what you want to buy for your parents. Anything. I think Prati Ammailo, even if we get married to a good guy, even if anything that happens, we should always have a house of our own. We should always have a bank account of our own. It makes you feel very empowered, makes you feel, I think that, I don't know, independent, most importantly. It's very important, yeah.
What did you do with your first big paycheck then? Did you get something for yourself or was it for your family or loved ones?
I think I got something for my parents, definitely. Personally, my mindset always goes like, oh, I need to get something for my parents, firstly. So, definitely,
Default.
I think I took default on these. So, it's actually a lot of effort to buy something for myself. I'm defaulted like that.
No? I thought this is the problem I had. When I have to spend on somebody else, like my mother, no? Okay, how much ever you want, I'll spend. When it comes to me, I'm like, nak avsarama.
I think a lot of us girls are like that. Sorry, boys, but is it? Kada? We think before for... That's why a girl child is... Sorry.
I'm glad it's not just me. In today's... what is that one meme you use a lot?
One meme I use a lot?
Yeah. Generally, anything we pick up from internet and we start using it, no? With any trend or something.
Example?
Immediately come. Immediately. Immediately come. Video call. Help me with some memes, guys. That's not.
Come to my room. This guy is stuck on Sai Ram for some reason.
He's a very religious person.
Rojulo pray chesaru every day or
Sorry?
Jai Shri Ram.
Jai Shri Ram.
Meeru Jai Shri Ram fan, huh?
Yes.
Good. I mean, I think your brain is still healthy because we... I cannot function normally without using this language. And it's actually becoming a mental issue right now. Legit, I'm not even like cooking this up. This is a problem where we cannot go beyond 5 sentences without taking a reference from some meme culture. So I'm the first patient.
అంటే మేము మార్నింగ్ లేస్తే ఒక మేము వస్తుంది లేవురా చలి పెడుతుందని లేస్తలేవా
అది కాదు మేలుకో లేచి నిలబడు నిద్ర నుంచి లే
యా అలారం విత్ డజంట్ నీడ్ అలారం దీస్ మీమ్స్ ఆర్ ఎనఫ్ ఫర్ us.
Yeah, we have a problem.
Yeah.
Not to be proud of. Next question.
హాయ్ మ్యామ్.
Hello.
మైసెల్ఫ్ సుహాస్. మీరు బార్న్ అయింది మహారాష్ట్రలో అండ్ మీరు స్కూలింగ్ జరిగిందంతా నైజీరియాలో.
అంత కాదు అంటే
లైక్
సెకండ్ హాఫ్ ఆఫ్ ది స్కూలింగ్.
అండ్ మీ యాక్టింగ్ కెరియర్ అంతా హైదరాబాద్, చెన్నై, బాంబేలో ఉంది. అవుట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ది ప్లేసెస్ మీరు ట్రూగా హోమ్ అనుకునేది ఏ ప్లేస్ అండ్ మీ పర్స్పెక్టివ్లో హోమ్ అంటే ఏంటి?
Okay, very good question. I think for every person there are two homes. One is where you're born. One is the hometown that you're born into, the culture that you're born into, that you really love a lot. So for me, the first home is Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar. And for me, the second home is Hyderabad, where you find yourself, where you find your people, where you find love, where you grow towards your goals. That city makes you feel loved. I think Hyderabad is my karma bhumi and it's a place that's given me everything that I have today. So I've always said this to my friends. First time I'll say it here. My first movie as a lead was in Hyderabad and I hope my last movie as a lead is in Hyderabad because this city is what gave me everything that I am today.
మ్యామ్ మీరు చెప్పారు కదా యూ ఫైండ్ లవ్ ఇన్ హైదరాబాద్ అని, అలా మీకు ఎవరైనా దొరికారా?
Sorry?
మీకు ఎవరైనా లవ్ దొరికారా? లైక్
Sorry?
మీరు
Mike, I can't hear for some reason, sir.
లైక్ ఐ జస్ట్ సెడ్ లైక్ మీరు ఒక దగ్గర పుడతారు ఇంకో దగ్గర లైక్
What?
హాయ్ మ్యామ్ మై సెల్ఫ్ చరణ్. యాక్చువల్లీ నేను రవితేజ సార్కి పెద్ద ఫ్యాన్ని, అలాగే మీకు కూడా.
ఓకే.
సో ఆయన యాక్టింగ్ కానీ ఆయన చూసినప్పుడు చాలా ఇన్స్పైరింగ్గా అనిపిస్తుంది. సో మీరు మిస్టర్ బచ్చన్లో రవితేజ సార్ తోటి మీరు వర్క్ చేశారు కదా, సో వాట్స్ ద బెస్ట్ లెసన్ యూ లెర్న్ ఫ్రమ్ హిమ్?
బెస్ట్ లెసన్.
బెస్ట్ లెసన్.
Honestly, I've never seen him stress. And I'm like, how does a human not stress in life? He's very, very chill, you know, like whether things are working out, he's okay. Whether it's not, he's okay. So very zen laga, I think his approach towards life is just flow with it and be positive. So chala positive, and I think it's a very big thing that I learned as, you know, in my first film from my first co-actor, that if you look at life with positively, no matter ala vastun tarvata parledu, but I think it's a perspective. If you look at it positively, life gets easier. This will keep happening, kada.
I too have an older sister and we have a 7-year age old gap. So like I want to ask you, like how is your relationship between you two? Like what I've seen, she has not expressed much love to me until I've reached this age. Like now she's in US, so now that there's an ocean separating us, now she shows occasional love on me, like treating me good. But before it was like she used to be so protective about me, and she was like, you know, if I show too much love, she'll be spoiled and, you know, not go in the right way. So is that like in between you and your sister?
I think definitely my sister is very protective of me. She's an engineer herself, so I think we have a 3-year age gap. But we talk about everything. I think she is that one person I can call and she will remind me of my roots. You know, because it's very easy for all of us to kunchu get distracted and, you know, go away from our roots. She'll be that one person, be like, you trust God kada. You're always like, God will do this for me kada. So why aren't you praying? Did you pray today? She'll be like that. So she'll be my reminder of, oh wait, actually this helps me. Actually talking to God helps me. Actually praying helps me. So she's that, you know, I think prati person lo that one person's there who will remind you what helps you. Alagi, I think she's been there.
I guess that's what sisters are for.
I think so, yes.
Ma'am, in my life, in recent days, my friend got married at age of 21.
Okay.
According to you, which is the best age of marriage, ma'am?
There is no certain age limit that this is when you should get married, according to me. I think all of us have different journeys. Some will get married at 21, God bless them. Some will get married at 25, God bless them. Some will get married at 30, 35, 40. I think what's more important is finding the right person you get married to. Because you spent, for example, 20, 30 years of your life now. But with that person, you have to spend the rest of your life, every single day. How important it is that that's the right person for you. I think that is the more important question you should focus on. So I think every person should focus on, okay, this person's right, now we can get married. So,
అంతేనా ఏమైనా అడుగుతావా?
You found your right person?
No.
Ippudu no.
I'm single and happy.
Happy single, huh? How old are you?
I'm just 20.
Wait.
And according to you, when you are getting married, ma'am?
నీ పని అయిపోయింది.
You want me to get married?
No, but...
So, next question.
హాయ్ భాగ్య.
Hi.
సో మీ ఫ్యూచర్ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్లో ఎలాంటి రోల్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నారు? సో యూ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ డ్రీమ్ రోల్?
Dream role? Definitely I would say I would love to be a part of Rajamouli sir's movie. I think he's a legend in the way he makes movies. I'm a huge sucker for, you know, oka big setup, oka queen laga. I think it's beautiful. I think, you know, larger than life kind of a film. So I think definitely I think that's one checklist I want to do.
సో యూ హ్యావ్ బీన్ వర్కింగ్ విత్ డిఫరెంట్ కో స్టార్స్ రైట్? సో మళ్ళీ మీకు ఆపర్చునిటీ వస్తే ఏ స్టార్ తోటి చూడొచ్చు మిమ్మల్ని?
రిపీటా? ఇట్స్ నాట్ ఇన్ మై హ్యాండ్, నో.
బట్ మీరు ఎగ్జైట్ అవుతారు కదా, మళ్ళీ చేయాలి, మళ్ళీ ఐ వాంట్ టు డూ ఫిల్మ్ అగైన్ విత్ దట్ స్టార్. సో హూస్ దట్ స్టార్?
You guys. Well, I'm going to politically answer this correct and say that all of them I would love to work with.
Choose one. Only one.
Who do you want me to work with? Guys, let's not insult God Bhagwan, please. Who do you want me to work with again? They are not taking name. If you can't take name, I'm not taking name.
Okay, deal. She'll take one name and you have to take one name,
done.
yeah?
Okay, idi
Go.
okay.
నువ్వు ఒక యాక్టర్ పిక్ చేయి, she'll pick one actor.
Okay. DQ sir. Ram sir?
Choose pick one, Ray.
no.
Pick one.
Okay.
You are asking her to pick one, but you can't pick one, huh?
See? This is my confusion also. How
You
do
can
I
take
pick
audience poll also if you're so confused.
Audience vote.
అన్న ఆడియన్స్ పోల్ అన్న నువ్వు మైక్ తీసుకోమని చెప్పలే, నువ్వు ఎంత ఎక్సైట్ అయిపోతున్నావు.
Audience vote.
So,
Any name.
pick one name, any DQ or Ram sir.
Ram.
Saira.
Majority is Ram sir.
Okay. So, I would love to give audience what they want and I would also choose Ram. Yes.
Yeah, that's what we want from
అక్కడ నుంచి ఒక కవర్ డ్రైవ్, ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఒక కవర్ డ్రైవ్, చూడలేక నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. క్వశ్చన్ అడిగితే ఆన్సర్ చేసే దమ్ము కూడా ఉండాలి మీకు. డోంట్ గెట్ లాస్ట్ లైక్ దట్. యా.
Hi ma'am.
Hi.
So what title you want to give for your story, your life story?
Ooh. I haven't thought about that. A warrior that didn't know how to give up.
Nice. Is that how you want people to remember you?
Honestly, if I genuinely think of how I want people to remember me is, see, I'll do films. Some will work out, some will not. Some characters you guys will like, some will be like, why she did that. All of that will be a mix, right? But at the end of the day, it's about how many hearts you touch as an actor, for the space that you're given. And so I want to touch as many hearts as possible in the kindest way possible. So that's always been my goal. Whether I get a film, whether I don't get a film, tomorrow I am an actor, I am not. Personal ga naku, my main priority is, I think I want to be this kind human for the rest of my life and touch hearts. And I think after meeting you guys, if I leave from here and you feel like, oh, I felt good talking to her, something was nice, that's enough for me. It shouldn't be like, what did she do? It didn't feel like an interview, right? So I think that's enough, to meet people, to talk to them, touch your hearts. That's all I want.
Hi.
Hi.
What kind of man would you date, and what are the qualities of man you like?
Why are you guys after me and my love life and my marriage life and what kind of husband I want?
Bolo pencil.
Pencil.
Ye question cancel. Next question, please. If
No,
you
it's
want
okay.
to answer.
I'm okay answering. That's okay. See, I think Prati Ammailo, I don't have a list of this is who I want. Somebody who understands me, somebody who accepts me for my imperfections and perfections, and somebody who's kind, definitely.
హలో మ్యామ్. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ నేను మీకు ఒక ఫ్యాన్, అందరూ పెద్ద ఫ్యాన్స్లోని నేను ఏదో చిన్న ఫ్యాన్.
మీరు చిన్న కాదు కదా.
రివర్స్ సైకాలజీ వాడండి. ఎవ్రీబడి సేస్ నేను చాలా పెద్ద ఫ్యాన్ అంటే నేను పెద్ద ఫ్యాన్, నేను ఒక చిన్న ఫ్యాన్.
సో కాంతా ట్రైలర్ రిలీజ్ అప్పుడు ఐ వాస్ సా లైక్ నేను ఇంకో మహానటి లాంటి ఒక స్టార్ని చూస్తాను అని. లిటరలీ ఆ లెవెల్ ఆఫ్ యాక్టింగ్ నాకు ఆ ఫిలిం నుంచి దొరికింది మీ నుంచి. సో అక్కడి నుంచి నేను మైత్రి మూవీస్ లైక్ ఆంధ్ర కింగ్ తాలూకా మూవీ మీరు విమల్ థియేటర్కి వచ్చేటప్పుడు నేను వచ్చా. ఫోటో కోసం చాలా ట్రై చేశా, బట్ నన్ ఆఫ్ దట్. కాంతా మూవీ లైక్ మీ దాంట్లో ఒక మైల్ స్టోన్. బట్ ఫస్ట్ నుంచి ఇప్పటి వరకు మీ ఫిల్మోగ్రఫీలో బెస్ట్ మూవీస్ ఉన్న కమర్షియల్ సక్సెస్ అనేది లేదు. సో దాని మీద అనేది వర్క్ చేయకుండా మీరు అన్ని ఫిలిమ్స్ లైక్ గుడ్ ఫిలిమ్స్ అనుకొని వెళ్తున్నారు కదా. వాట్ యు ఫీల్ లైక్ మూవీస్ గెటింగ్ ఫెయిల్ లైక్ క్రిటిక్స్ కానీ లేదంటే బయట ఆడియన్స్ కానీ లైక్ సేయింగ్ డిడ్ షీ హ్యాస్ అ లైక్ ఐరన్ లెగ్ ఆర్ ఎల్స్ వై షీస్ పికింగ్ బ్యాడ్ ఫిలిమ్స్ లైక్ అలాంటి మిక్స్డ్ టాక్స్ వస్తాయి కదా, దానికి మీరు అలా ఎలా రెస్పాండ్ అవ్వాలనుకుంటున్నారు?
See, good question. I'll answer it. Controversial పర్లేదు. ఏంటంటే ఒక యాక్టర్లో వాట్ ఈస్ మై జాబ్? టు గివ్ మై బెస్ట్ టు మై క్యారెక్టర్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ కాంతాలో డిడ్ ఐ గివ్ మై బెస్ట్ టు కుమారి?
100%.
అంటే
100%.
అంటే I tried between whatever I can, and that's all that is there in my hand. I have very simple, thing that if you don't have a say in edit, if you don't have a say in the story, you're not the one to be blamed for. And I say this for all the actresses out there. No disrespect to anybody, but I think all of us as actresses, we give our 100%. And if you don't have a say in edit, how can you be blamed? Kada? What you can be blamed for is she didn't act good. I will take it. I'll be like, oh my God, I have to grow. I have to grow as an actor. I have to improve myself. But if you tell me you're an iron leg, how is that my fault? What did I do? Kada? Yes, I selected the script, but scripts has been changed, has been edited. None of that is in my hand. Then how can you blame me? So I think respectfully to all the audiences out there, all of us actresses want you to know this, that the only thing in our hand is the character. And if I don't do justice to my character, please scold me. I don't mind. But other than that, I think it's at the end of the day, if I'm doing good, then only offers will come, kada. Otherwise, you don't even want to watch me. So that's how I think about it. Yes.
Ma'am, just sir. నా చిన్న ఫ్యాన్గా ఒకటి
మీరు పెద్ద ఫ్యాన్ చిన్న కాదు.
సో ఎట్ ఎర్లీ స్టేజెస్ మేడం నయనతార గారు లైక్ హర్ లైక్ సేమ్ ఫీలింగ్ లైక్ బయట అలా అన్నాం, కానీ నౌ షీ ఈస్ అ లేడీ సూపర్ స్టార్. ఐ వాంట్ యూ టు జస్టిఫై దట్ లేడీ సూపర్ స్టార్ ట్యాగ్.
I will definitely try.
And
my
we are
best.
sure you will do that.
I'll try my best.
Hi Bharati.
Hello. Oh, hi.
It's a character from Lenin. So actually my question is most of the audience doesn't know this side of you. So like before Telugu cinema you did a ad like Cadbury ad. So how did you feel now by seeing that ad?
How do I feel now seeing that ad?
Yes.
Very sweet. I think that was my beginning, being in front of this big camera. And I honestly చెప్తున్నాను అంటే I was very excited. Cadbury I've been eating since childhood. So to be the Cadbury girl for that Valentine's 1 year, I think I was very excited. I think I look back and I feel proud. I feel good. Yeah.
And one more question is there any other projects like this which audience doesn't know?
Other projects lined up?
Like Cadbury ad, is there any other projects
Before the
which audience doesn't know?
definitely. I've done a lot of TVCs. I've done for Himalaya. I've done for Tanesh. A lot of TVCs I've done and then come to this platform. Yeah.
Thank you.
అంటే ఇక్కడ మీరు తెలుగులో మాట్లాడడం చూసి నేను చాలా సర్ప్రైజ్ అయ్యా.
అవునా?
అంటే చాలా మంది
నేర్చుకుంటున్నాను మీకోసం, అందరి కోసం.
అంటే చాలా మంది
మీకోసం అంటే
actors-
ప్లూరల్.
ఓకే. అంటే చాలా ఇయర్స్ నుండి ఇండస్ట్రీలో ఉన్నా కూడా తెలుగు ఇంత మంచిగా మాట్లాడరు కదా. వాట్ ఈస్ ద సీక్రెట్ బిహైండ్ యువర్ తెలుగు?
Me love.
హాయ్ భాగ్య,
Hi.
దెర్ ఇస్ ఎ క్వశ్చన్. ఇన్ కాంతా మూవీ రానా గారు రిజెక్ట్ చేస్తారు కదా మిమ్మల్ని, మీ యాక్టింగ్ నచ్చలేదని.
Reject.
ఐ మీన్ మీ ఆ రోల్కి మీరు సరిపోరని చెప్పి మూవీలో చెప్తారు కదా.
అలా కాదు. I think everybody has misunderstood. I just went in a western dress and his doubt was that she looks very western. How will she look so vintage? That's all the doubt was. I think rejections shape all of us, right? Without it, how will you know what you want? I think rejections are must for all of us. Even if you see the legends that you know of, that we speak of, whether it's the biggest of stars, they've all gone through rejections, and so have I, and so will all of you. Rejections define our success. Rejections tarvata, the taste of success is much sweeter, actually.
థ్యాంక్ యూ మ్యామ్.
So, what is the one message to you, to your younger self?
From me to my younger self, I would just tell that little girl that it's all going to work out. Don't worry. Be proud of yourself. And the self-confidence that you have is the only thing that's going to take you long. Because at the end of the day, whether the world believes in us or not, you have to believe in yourself. So I think I've done that.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hi.
Hello.
You told that you love Hyderabad. Can you tell one Hyderabadi word? Something like fixed in your mind.
Fixed in your mind. I mean, ante is something I use a lot every day. Ante alage, I think I keep using all the time. But and
Hyderabadi
Sangati,
word.
I learned this from my driver. I think his Hindi is a little kya baata kar raha hai. Kada?
మీకు వచ్చిన అవార్డ్స్ కానీ, బాక్స్ ఆఫీస్ కలెక్షన్స్ కానీ, సోషల్ మీడియా అన్నీ పక్కన పెట్టేస్తే నెక్స్ట్ 10 yearsలో మీరు ఎక్కడ ఉండాలనుకుంటున్నారు, ఏ ప్లేస్లో ఉండాలనుకుంటున్నారు?
In all your hearts. That's all that I want. Look
సో
at him.
awesome.
All right.
హాయ్ స్వీట్ హార్ట్.
అబ్బా,
లేటెస్ట్గా మీ న్యూ మూవీ లెనిన్ ట్రైలర్
మీరు
చూసాను.
ఓన్లీనా శ్రీరామ్ రామ్ ఇప్పుడు హై స్వీట్ అట. సరే,
మీ న్యూ మూవీ లెనిన్ ట్రైలర్ చూశాను, చాలా బాగుంది. ఈ సినిమా ఎలా ఉండబోతుంది, మేము ఎలాంటి భాగ్యాన్ని ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేయొచ్చు?
ఓకే. సో అంటే లెనిన్ కేమ్ టు మీ లాస్ట్ ఇయర్, బచ్చన్ రిలీజ్ ఐ థింక్ అరౌండ్ దట్ టైమ్, జస్ట్ ఆఫ్టర్ దాట్. అండ్ ఐ హర్డ్ ద స్టోరీ అండ్ నాకు చాలా నచ్చింది స్టోరీ. అంటే భారతి యాజ్ అ క్యారెక్టర్ చాలా డెప్త్ ఉంది, చాలా స్పేస్ ఉంది పర్ఫార్మెన్స్ కోసం. సో నాకు చాలా నచ్చింది. బట్ కొంచెం డేట్ ఇష్యూస్ వచ్చిన తర్వాత ఐ హ్యాడ్ టు సే నో. బట్ I don't know if it's destiny, I don't know if it's God or universe. This story kept coming back to me even after quite some time. So I think konchu 8 months tarvata it came back to me, and I think it's a destiny's plan that I have to play Bharti. So I did it, and I think you will all fall in love with Bharti. I think it's a very rooted character. అమ్మాయికి ఇంట్రో కూడా సీనియర్ ఎన్టీఆర్ గారు డైలాగ్ ఉంది. సో చాలా ఫ్రెష్గా ఉంది కదా. ఐ థింక్ వీ హ్యావెన్ సీన్ అన్ ఇంట్రో లైక్ దట్ ఫర్ అ గర్ల్. చాలా స్పేస్ ఉంది. షీఈ్ అ బులీ. షీల్ కీప్ టీజింగ్ ద హీరో ఆల్ ద టైమ్. సో ఐ థింక్ ఆల్ యూ గర్ల్స్ అండ్ బాయ్స్ విల్ ఎంజాయ్ హర్ అ లాట్.
హాయ్ భాగ్య.
మీరు స్టార్టింగ్ నుంచి ఇప్పటి వరకు ఐ థింక్ హీస్ జస్ట్ బీన్ బ్లషింగ్.
Night nunchi I was been blushing, but you are seeing me just now.
Avuna.
It's a dream. That's what I said. Yeah. Yeah. Hi Bhagya. Yeah, myself Vijay Kiran.
Hi Vijay Kiran.
Yeah, my question to you is, మీరు ఇంతమంది
You looking there and talking.
co-stars తో యాక్ట్ చేశారు కదా. Whom would you kill, marry, date?
I can't kill anyone, yaar. That's very rude. Change that kill word with something else. Friendship better, no?
Okay.
Friendship, marry and date. Wait. Ayyo. So, friendship, I think Akhil. I think he's been a very great co-actor to work with. I think we have mutual respect for each other. What else?
ఐ బీన్ వెయిటింగ్ ఫర్ కింగ్డమ్ మూవీ చూసినప్పుడు స్టార్టింగ్లో హృదయం లోపల సాంగ్ చూసినప్పుడు అంటే స్టార్టింగ్ సినిమా నుంచి మీరు ఎప్పుడోసారి ప్రతిసారి విజయ్ దేవరకొండ ఉంటే ఐ యూస్ టు సీ విజయ్ దేవరకొండ, బట్ ఫర్ ద ఫస్ట్ టైం ఐఎమ్ వెయిటింగ్ ఫర్ యూ. ఆ సినిమాలో చాలా బాగా నచ్చినారు నాకు, ఈవెన్ దో ఇట్ వాజ్ ఎ వెరీ లిటిల్ పార్ట్, ఐ లవ్డ్ ఇట్ అలాట్.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
All right, we're going to end it with couple of games very quickly.
Okay, what are the games?
So the first one is you'll need to, I'm going to tell you different traits, like most disciplined, who is what. Anybody from the industry, not just your co-stars, anybody from your industry that fits into this particular role well.
Okay. Wait, can I sit there and talk
Yes,
about this?
yes.
Thank you.
So we're going to play games, but we switched up Honest on a little bit because Bhagyashree wanted to come sit with the audience and play the games. Okay. Actually, it'd be nice if you guys ask the question, no, instead of me for games. Yes.
They are also like yes.
Yeah. Okay, for the next round, we'll put that because it's Telugu words. Okay. This game is pretty simple. I'm going to give you some traits. You have to tell me, Cheppali, a actor from the industry, not just your co-stars, but anybody in general who fits well for that particular trait.
Okay.
Yeah? Okay. Most disciplined.
I think Shiva Karthikeyan sir.
Okay. Biggest prankster.
Ravi Teja garu.
Best listener.
Akhil.
Most stylish.
Dulkar.
Yes. Most likely to become your therapist.
Ram.
Most likely to survive on a deserted island.
Alone, huh? I think that's also Ram. I think he's a very solo person.
Okay. Most likely to forget their phone.
I think Vijay. He's very
forgetful.
Clumsy.
Okay. Best travel partner.
For me?
Yep. Anybody from the industry.
Anybody? How will I know if I haven't traveled with them?
Ante, in the sense, okay.
I want to travel with them. Alage?
Ala kuda cheppachu. Who would you like to travel with?
I think with Anushka.
Okay. One person you'd call at 2 a.m. if you got stranded.
Why all of you are laughing? Yeah, this is lag.
Lag. Okay, it's red flag, green flag now.
Red flag, what?
I'll just. నాకెందుకు భయం అవుతుంది? Okay. I'm just going to tell you things in relationship. You tell me if it's a red flag or a green flag.
Okay.
He keeps saying, we will see. When you ask for some plans, he says, we will see. Red flag. Doesn't communicate after arguments. Too possessive and obsessive. Really? Gives you space. Gym freak. Cancels plans at last minute.
Depends on the reason.
Doesn't like your best friend or your bestie. Splits the bill. Turns off read receipts. Like red and ostum gada after we send a message. The blue tick is turned off.
Mine is also off.
Shops a lot.
How can that be a green red flag?
For you. For you, if you shop.
Green, parledu.
Okay.
Me ishtam.
Takes ugly candidates of you. All right. Doesn't celebrate your birthday.
Eh?
Yeah. Okay. We need to get better prompts.
flag.
Yeah, more red flags. Okay, now what we're going to do is, this is the last segment. Because you've come here and you've learned Telugu and you're learning it so well, we want to learn Marathi.
Wow. Okay.
So we'll pick some dialogues from your movies we'll pick some commonly used Telugu భాషలో మనం మాట్లాడే words ఉంటాయి కదా అలాంటివి చెప్దాము and we'll hear what she has to say. What is it
How do
told
we
in
say it in Marathi?
Oh my god, why am I stuttering so much?
There is this new trend, like a person like translated a English song "I Wanna Be Yours" into Telugu. Can you try to do that in Marathi?
Which song is this?
I Wanna Be Yours.
That's all, huh? I want to be yours.
I wanna be yours.
Okay, you repeat after me.
Yeah. Okay, I'll try.
It you have to say मला तुझं व्हायचंय.
मला तुझ्या
मला तुझं व्हायचंय.
मला तुझ्या व्हायचंय.
मला तुझं व्हायचंय. मला तुझं व्हायचंय. मला तुझं. Okay, great.
Wow, nice. I think the song is just good like that. Any language
Any
it's
language,
fitting
no?
in.
I think music is that.
నువ్వుంటే చాలే నువ్వుంటే చాలే
ఇప్పుడు సాంగ్స్ ఏనా బ్రో ఇంకా
సాంగ్స్ దిస్ మైట్ బి అబౌట్ నువ్వుంటే చాలే
నువ్వు ఉంటే చాలు
ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ ప్లేయింగ్ దట్ సాంగ్
तूच काफी आहे. हिंदी इज कमिंग मराठी. Okay. तूच पाहिजे.
तूच पाहिजे.
तूच पाहिजे.
పాహిజే
తూత్స్ పాహిజే. Okay, so Telugulo ఎవరైనా if this whatever Vijay was trying to do with you and whatever Som was trying to do with you,
do with me
as in like pulihora kalpadam is the word where they try to sit next to a girl and so what is the word that's used back there? Marathi pulihora kalpadam बोल के कुछ है क्या ऐसा?
मतलब ऐसा कुछ तो है नहीं बट जास्त शहाणा नको बनोस. You have to say that.
Too smart.
Don't be too smart like that.
Okay, last one. Delulu is Solulu. What is Delulu and Solulu in Marathi?
Wow. ChatGPT ఉందా?
Hey chat.
Hey ChatGPT. Can you translate this to Marathi for me? Delulu to Solulu. Okay. Network leader.
Come on. Delulu pasun Solulu.
अरे तेच
Telling the same word
in Marathi.
Yeah.
Delulu पासून सोलुलू पर्यंत.
Okay. All right. On that note, thank you so much for coming down. Yes, thank you so much for coming on to Honest Town Hall. We had a blast. I hope it's the same with you as well.
Same here.
All right, so we'll do a quick outro, a subscribe note.
Hey guys, do subscribe to
Honest Town Hall. Thank you so much for coming down.
Hey guys, do subscribe to
Honest